The shoe manufacturing process begins with design and planning, which is one of the most important stages. Professional shoe designers carefully study market trends, customer preferences, comfort requirements, and seasonal demands. Using advanced computer software, designers create detailed digital models of the shoe. At this stage, they finalize the overall shoe shape and structure, different size variations for men, women, and children, the type of materials to be used, color combinations, and style details. Once the digital design is complete, prototype samples are produced. These samples are tested for comfort, durability, flexibility, and appearance. Only after passing these tests does the design move forward to mass production. After the design is approved, the next step is material selection. Different parts of the shoe require different materials. Commonly used materials include leather, synthetic fabrics, rubber, foam, and breathable mesh. Large rolls or sheets of these materials are brought to the cutting section. Here, advanced cutting machines or laser cutters are used to cut the materials with extreme precision. Each shoe part is cut separately, such as the upper, tongue, heel support, side panels. Accuracy at this stage is crucial because even a small mistake can cause material waste or fitting issues later in the process. Once all parts are cut, they are sent to the stitching department. Skilled workers or automated sewing machines carefully stitch the cut pieces together to form the shoe upper. This process requires experience and attention to detail. During stitching, brand logos are added, reinforcement layers are sewn for strength, and padding is inserted for comfort and support. After stitching, each upper goes through a quality check to ensure the seams are strong, clean, and properly aligned. In this stage, the stitched upper is placed onto a shoe last, which is a foot-shaped mold. The upper is stretched tightly over the last to give the shoe its final shape and structure. Special machines apply heat and pressure to help the material hold its shape. This step is extremely important because it directly affects shoe fitting, comfort, foot support, and a well-shaped shoe ensures a comfortable experience for the wearer. Where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started. Now it's time to prepare and attach the sole. Soles are usually made from materials like rubber for durability, EVA for lightweight comfort, and PU material for flexibility and shock absorption. The sole is attached to the upper using strong industrial glue and pressing machines. In some shoe types, additional stitching is also done for extra strength. After attachment, the shoes are pressed firmly to ensure long-lasting bonding between the upper and the sole. After sole attachment, the shoes move to the finishing section. Here, workers carefully remove excess glue, clean the surface, polish the shoes, fix minor defects. Laces, insoles, and branding tags are added during this stage. This process gives the shoe a clean, attractive, and professional look before final inspection. Where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more, edit these placeholders to get started. Before packaging, every shoe goes through strict quality control. Trained inspectors carefully examine each pair for correct size and fitting, strong stitching, proper sole bonding, overall appearance and finish. Any shoe that does not meet quality standards is rejected or reworked. Only perfectly finished shoes are approved for packaging. In the final step, approved shoes are paired together and packed into branded shoe boxes. Each box is labeled with shoe size, model number, barcode, and brand information. The packed shoes are then sent to warehouses, retail stores, or exported worldwide. From here, they eventually reach customers across the globe. And that's how shoes are manufactured step by step in a factory. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes process, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more factory and manufacturing videos. Thanks for watching.